Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Let's start our lecture. Here's the bridging. I hope you have solved it and here is the answer of that bridging. Today we have belief number 25 in which we have to read an extensive range of fiction and non-fiction books and guess the meaning of the word and phrases in the text. Our main purpose is to guess the meaning of unfamiliar or difficult words or phrases in the text. Let's see how can we guess the meaning. There are some steps to guess the meaning. First, read the sentence. Second, look at the nearby words. If you find any unfamiliar word in a sentence, you have to see the whole sentence or other words in that sentence. Find clues, examples, same opposite words. Then after that, guess the meaning of that word. Here we have a text. Let's read it and find the meaning of unfamiliar word in it. The title of our text is The Empty Pot. A long time ago in China, a boy named Ping lived with his parents in a wooden cottage in a countryside village. Their house was small, but their garden was always full of beautiful flowers and other plants. Ping's mother had planted the garden before Ping was born. Here the word planted. Suppose it's an unfamiliar word for you and you have to guess the meaning of that word. You have to read the line again. Ping's mother had planted the garden before Ping was born. Here planted mean to grow flowers and trees in a garden. She taught him everything she knew about gardening. Ping loves gardening. Anything he plants bursts into bloom. Suppose this phrase is unfamiliar to you. You have to read the sentence again. Ping loves gardening. Anything he plants bursts into bloom. That means whatever he plants will grow faster or will grow. Up came flowers, bushes, and even big fruit trees, as if by magic. Everyone in the kingdom loved flowers too. They planted them everywhere, and the air smelled like perfume. On the other hand, the emperor of the China loved birds and animals, but flowers most of all, and he tended his own garden every day. Here the word tended is a difficult word. When you have to guess the meaning, you have to read the sentence again. If you read the sentence again, you come to know that here tended mean to take care of his garden. But the emperor of China was growing old and had no son. He was worried about who would become the next emperor. He needed to choose a successor to the throne for his seat. Here throne mean the seat. And here the word successor mean the one who will come after him and take control of that town or of that city. Through this technique, you can find the meaning of unfamiliar word in your text. Read the other part of the text and find the meaning of unfamiliar word, and you have to comprehend the text. After that, there is a formative check in which you have to solve these questions after comprehending your text. Do it in your class. Here's your homework. Do it at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Okay, बच्चों, अल्लाह हाफिज.